Jaime Flemming, controller at Hess Construction, understood the pain of using pen and paper timesheets.
Before hh2, we did paper, a lot of paper. So we would have to run down each and every employee on a weekly basis to get their timesheets.
Paper timesheets caused bottlenecks and confusion.
Something particularly annoying prior to hh2 was just having to run down employees to get their timesheets. It was a hassle having to call them if they didn't pick up because they were too busy on a job site. We'd have to recall them, and just filtering, 100 timesheets. I mean, we're a small company, so we had 100 employees, but when you add up a phone call to 100 people on a weekly basis, time was wasted.
Paper timesheets increased the difficulty of routing an approval for Jaime's company.
Once we got their timesheets, we'd have to send them back out to their project manager or superintendent for approval. It took hours and hours. Payroll was never processed on time.
Jaime's company switched to hh2 remote payroll. The hassles of paper time entry disappeared.
So now that we use hh2, our payroll is processed more efficiently, more effectively. Our job cost is done for us at the time of entering payroll versus going back and forth depending on what job site people use. Some of our guys flip-flop from multiple jobs, and the payroll process, the approval is so much more efficient. More than one person can see that person's payroll if they process under more than one job. So all in all, it is so much faster, saves us money, saves us time.
hh2 remote payroll saved time and made routing and approval a breeze.
Now that we use hh2, everything's in one place. Everybody goes to one system, logs in, sees the timesheets, sees who's been working on their job for the week, approves it with a click, and then sends it over to payroll, and we're good to go.
With the time and money saved, Jaime wonders why every contractor doesn't use hh2 remote payroll.
I would recommend hh2 product to any other general contractor out there, just because your hh2, your software is right there. It's on your phone, it's on your tablet, it's on your computer, so you can get access to it anywhere that you are. We used to have to rely on fax machines and scanning from copiers, and now everything's at your fingertips. It's more efficient, and it's just the way to go.
To learn more about how hh2 remote payroll eliminates the hassles of paper time entry, sign up today for a free webinar at hh2.com/rp.